CarHelpout.com. A simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Ever been stranded on the side of the road, your car refusing to budge, and you're just stuck? Yeah, it's a special kind of frustration. Especially in the middle of the night on a Memphis highway, that's where we come in. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis Pre-Purchase Car Inspection, we're here to give you that peace of mind. Our emergency roadside assistance service is ready for whatever your car throws at you, whether it's a flat tire, a dead battery, or you've locked those keys inside your car again. To get a quick help call, Memphis Mobile Mechanic at 901-881-7850 to get a mechanics who will come or travel to you to provide on-site road services on spot anytime, anywhere in Memphis. And we don't just cover the city of Memphis. Our team reaches out to the surrounding areas too in Shelby County, Tennessee area. So if you're out exploring or commuting, we're still just one call away. Now, here's what you get with us. Fast response, a team with the right tools and technicians trained to handle anything from tire changes to jump starts to careful, damage-free towing. Need a battery test? We do that too. And our emergency roadside assistance Memphis Mobile Mechanic service in real time, taking the guesswork out of waiting.
It's honestly a lifesaver. I was stuck late at night and they got there so fast. Didn't even have to stress.
So if you're driving around Memphis and feel that dreaded uh-oh moment, just remember you're not alone. Call 901-881-7850 and we'll be there before you know it. That's our promise. Save the number, share it with a friend. Because when it's time for help, A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis Pre-Purchase Car Inspection has your back.